This is how you can check Italy's national debt. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. I'll leave all the links of the websites down in the description down below. This first website is fred.com or .org. As you can see, government gross debt for Italy, all the way from 98 or 1998 to 2023. The next website is macrotrends.net. Again, it will show Italy's debt, GDP ratio from 1960 to 2024. You have debt to GDP, GNP. You can even see their inflation rate, etc. And this will also show very useful information dating back to the very current or previous date. Last website is usdebtclock.org. If you were to scroll down, Italy is below France and above Brazil. They have $3.65 trillion in national debt. Their public debt to GDP, their external debt to GDP, and their population. If you found value, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'm out.